Want a browser that puts privacy first? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Mullvad Browser on your computer. To begin, open your current web browser and go to the official Mullvad website. From there, navigate to the Mullvad Browser download page. Choose the version that matches your operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click the download button and wait for the installation file to finish downloading. Once it's ready, open the downloaded file to start the installation. If you're using Windows, you may see a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Follow the installation steps shown on your screen. In most cases, you can keep the default options unless you have a specific reason to change them. The first time you launch the browser, it may take a few extra seconds to prepare everything. Once it opens, you're ready to start browsing with privacy-focused settings already configured. Mullvad Browser is built with privacy in mind, so it starts you off with settings that help limit tracking and make your browser look more like everyone else's. That can be useful if you want a more private browsing experience without having to adjust a lot of options yourself. Now you know how to download and install Mullvad Browser and get it ready for use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.